Google Chrome is the most used web browser worldwide, according to the State Counter, with its swift performance, clean interface, and easy syncing with mobile devices. That popularity is easy to understand. But Google's browser also benefits from plenty of useful extensions available on the Chrome Web Store. We have picked the best ones for you. In this video, I am going to show you 12 best useful Google Chrome extensions of 2019. Stay till the end. Number 1. CRX Mouse Gestures. CRX Mouse Gestures adds useful mouse gestures macros to help with web navigation. First of all, add CRX mouse gestures in your Chrome browser. Okay. Click and drag left to open link at new tab. Right click and drag left to go back. Right click and drag right to go forward. Right click and drag down plus right to close the tab. Right click and drag down to scroll down. Right click and drag up to scroll up. Use it and explore more. Number 2. FlowCrypt. FlowCrypt bolts on TCP encryptions to the Gmail experience, adding a secure compose button that lets you send encrypted email and attachments from the Gmail web app. Users can save encrypted drafts, generate a new public key for encrypting or decrypting messages, and even create password encrypted emails for users who do not have FlowCrypt installed. After install this, you will see this secure compose button. Number 3. Print Friendly and PDF. Print Friendly and PDF is a Chrome extension designed to automatically remove ads, navigation buttons, and other web junk whenever you print a web page or article, saving you paper and ink. Just go any site and click on the icon. It will take some time to render. Now you can change font size by clicking on the options. Select any font size from drop-down menu. Also, you can delete images and text that you don't want. For save as PDF, click on PDF and download the PDF file. Number 4. Google Arts and Culture. Google Arts and Culture turns your new tab page into delivering masterpieces of world art right to your browser. Each day brings a new piece of art every time you open your browser. Number 5. Adblocker Ultimate. Adblocker Ultimate is a free open source ad blocker that makes much of the fact that it's beholden to no corporate sponsor or marketers. As a result, it won't whitelist or let through acceptable advertising. The add-on removes advertising such as banner ads, videos, and pop-ups, while also blocking a variety of online tracking tools. Users do have the options of whitelisting select websites whose ads they want to support. Number 6. Checker Plus for Gmail. Checker Plus for Gmail keeps your Gmail messages within easy reach, with your inbox and newly received messages just a click away next to the omnibar. You can view your messages without having to leave your current page to launch a Gmail tab. And you can mark a message as read, delete it, or send it to the archive. You are also able to launch Gmail to take more detailed actions. The add-on can be set to display desktop notification even when a Chrome window is not open, and can be set to monitor multiple Gmail accounts. Number 7. Checker Plus for Google Drive. Another useful Checker Plus extension is Checker Plus for Google Drive. It allows users to browse, open, search, or delete their Google Drive files from a browser button without having to launch a new Drive tab. Additionally, Checker Plus can also display desktop notification for when your shared documents are modified or updated. Number 8. Pablo. Pablo is a free app designed to help you quickly couple up artful, social media friendly, captioned images which you can add to social network sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, and Twitter. Designed by the same minds behind the Buffer social media dashboard, Pablo allows for quick highlighting of text snippets and selections of images from local or online sources that you can then customize with fonts, effects, and formatting to match the social media platform of your choice. Number 9. Momentum. Momentum turns the new tab page into your personal productivity dashboard. Fire up Chrome, and Momentum delivers a personalized rating and inspiration quotes for the day, a to-do widget, weather report, and a quick links widgets for your favorite websites to jumpstart your workday, or simply put your favorite sites and useful info with an easy reach. Number 10. Any.do. Any.do is one of cross-platform to-do list apps, and the Chrome add-on lets you shamelessly sync your tasks and checklists from your mobile devices and your desktop. Users can create new lists and reminders, easily organize with a drag and drop interface, add notes, share tasks, and more, all from your browser and synced across all your devices. Number 11. OneTab. OneTab quickly compresses all of your open tabs into a single tab page with links to all of the web pages you had open, allowing you to flush all of the tabs from your browser. Users can then restore tabs. Number 12. WikiWand. WikiWand transforms Wikipedia's blunt, serviceable interface into something with more visual punch. The extensions combines clean, readable text columns with an integrated side menu offering the table of contents, and improved media gallery, and other useful quality of life features that make reading through the world's largest crowdsourced encyclopedia a bit less of chore. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is informative, then like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you do not like it, and then you can give a dislike. I have no problem. If you know better from extension, then comment below. I will try it. See you in upcoming videos. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe.